Hey, Huggy Wuggy. No, today we're gonna be watching Jackson Farts and Burps at the frickin' dinner table by gamerbeastzach. So, gamerbeastzach is a good friend of mine. He said he was gonna make more grind videos. So you're not gamerbeastzach, you. Well, you know. Let's get into the video. Hold on. Okay. Oh, there's Zach himself.
And Minecraft gamer Zach right here. Welcome back to another episode of Vlog. Today's 12th episode will be Jackson farts and birds at the dinner table. Enjoy the video.
Okay, what's going on here? Eaton. Oh yeah. What the heck?
Jackson.
That wasn't me. It was McKenna. She put.
That was you.
Jackson. That wasn't McKenna.
Quit blaming stuff on stuff.
At the dinner table because it's rude and it's not funny. And if you need to do that.
Yeah, it's funny.
I agree with Johnny. So
I disagree.
Because it's not funny. It's rude. And if you need to do that, do it in the bathroom.
Wesley and Johnny, I've always been polite at the dinner table.
Not me.
I know you are that. We're so glad you're always being polite. Our pal friend.
Aw.
Gal friend.
You're welcome, pal girl.
Pal girl. Alright. What's this? I need to be. Oh. Really?
Jackson, say excuse me when you burp at the dinner table.
Really? Bruh.
Stop it right now. It's not funny. So say excuse me right now. And I mean it.
Excuse these.
Hey, Jackson, stop it. Wesley didn't ask you to say excuse me. He asked you to say excuse yourself.
Excuse
Jackson,
these.
I told you to say excuse me.
Excuse me.
Thank you.
Okay. Haha.
Will you please mind your manners?
Mind your manners.
Jackson, when you start burping at the table, say excuse me. So mind your manners.
Bruh.
You know what, Jackson?
Nasty.
Go to your room right now.
Okay, you stupid. Ugly friend.
Bruh. Oh yeah.
Yes, look,
Oh yeah.
you did say a bad word.
Oh god.
Jackson, how could you use that kind of language? You are 10 years old and you should never say any of these words at all because it's a bad word. And that kind of language is inappropriate to use at your age.
I use it my age.
And we mean it.
Washington.
What? What? Washington. Ah. Okay. Alright. So that was something. Alright, thank you all for watching. Then